If the price is decreased by 6.25%, expenditure should also decrease by 6.25%. So 6.25% of 120 should be saved. How much is 6.25% of 120? Are you able to follow? Our saving will be equal to 6.25% of rupees 120, right? You know that 6.25 is 1/16th, right? 1/16th of 120. So are you able to follow? 6.25 is 1/16th of 120. So this comes out to be 120 by 16, which is 30 by 4, 7.5, right? 7.5. Our saving should be 7.5 rupees. But what did Vandana do? Vandana, instead of saving 7.5 rupees, she bought 1 kg more. So I can say 7.5 rupees per kg. This is the new price, right? What is he asking us to find out? Find the reduced price per kg. The price decreases 6 point. So new price 7.5 is the answer. See how simple it is. If you follow the concept, within no time you get 7.5. Why do you want to take the burden of learning the formula and substituting the values and doing all that calculation? Anyway, your question is if you can apply the formula or not. So what is the formula, by the way? It says if due to R% decrease in the price of an item, a person can buy a kg more in rupees X than the actual price per kg. So according to the formula, so this is the answer. 7.5 is the answer in my view. According to the formula, what happens? According to the formula, the actual price is equal to Rx divided by 100 minus R into A. So what is R in our case? R is equal to 6. This is R. Vandana is able to buy 1 kg more, right? So this is A, and rupees X, this is 120. So substitute the values R into X. 6.25 into what is X? X is 120 divided by 100 minus R. 100 minus 6.25 into A. A is 1. Simplify. So 6.25 into 120 by 100 minus 6.25 is 93.75, right? So basically this is like 6.25 into 1 and 6.25 into 15, because 93.75 goes 15 times, right? So 120 by 15. How much is 120 by 15? It is 8, right? Actual price is 8. Rupees 8 per kg. What is he asking us to find out? Find the reduced price. I think Arvind, I'm sure you are getting confused here, because the answer that you are getting using the formula is 8, but answer given is something else. Answer is given as 7.5, I guess. See, the point, Arvind, is the value that we have got using the formula is 8 rupees per kg, which is the actual price. In the question, he says find the reduced price. If the actual price is 8 kg, what will be the reduced price? See, the question clearly said that the price reduces by 6.25%. So the reduced price will be 8 rupees minus 6.25% of 8 rupees. And 6.25% of 8 rupees is 1/16th of 8 rupees, which is half a rupee. So 8 rupee minus half rupee, 7.5 rupees. So your answer will be 7.5.